Question 15. A plumber's total charge includes a fixed service charge plus an hourly rate for the job. If the total charge is $140 for a 3-hour job and $200 for a 5-hour job, what is the total charge for an 8-hour job? So this problem will include several steps. First, we will come up with a general formula that we'll use to figure out our total charge at the end. So it says that the total charge, we'll label that C, includes a fixed service charge, so we'll put F for fixed service. So that's not going to change, right? This is just the charge that happens for having the plumber show up. And then it's that fixed service charge plus an hourly rate. So we will say the rate times however many hours. Right, because if that were $10 for every hour, then that 10, if we were to say that this is going to be 10 in some instance, that will get multiplied by however many hours they're there, so that they'll get paid more the more time they spend on that job. So this is our general equation that we'll use. So then it tells us that in one instance we have a total charge of 140, so we're just going to plug this in more or less right below our original equation. So $140 for a 3-hour job, so F we don't know, plus a 3-hour job, so we'll say 3 times that rate. We know it's 3 hours. And then we also know that a $200 job with some fixed rate happens for when you have the plumber there for 5 hours. So we've got these two equations that we set up, and we can use, well, there are a couple different ways that we can solve this. The easiest, because we already have F here and F here, is to subtract one equation from the other. So to make it easy, we'll just subtract the top one so that we get everything positive. So 200 minus 140 gives us $60 equals, and then F minus F will give us 0, so we're not going to write anything there. And then 5R minus 3R gives us 2R. So we divide both sides by 2, and we get that R is 30. So now we know that our fixed rate, or hourly rate rather, is $30. Okay. Now let's plug that into one of the equations, it doesn't matter which, and solve for F. So let's just do the bottom one here. So $200 equals F plus 5 times, and now we know R is 30. So $200 equals F plus 150, and then we subtract 150 from both sides, and we see that F equals $50. F is 50. And now we need to solve for the charge of an 8-hour job. So to erase all this, we have all of our important information over on the side, and our original equation is still here. So we're solving the cost. We know that the fixed rate is 50, plus, it says it's an 8-hour job, so 8 times 30. So C equals 50 plus 240. So C equals 290. So we'll find answer choice B, which is $290.